On the 5th of May, Skype will be retiring and all your chats will migrate to Teams using the same login details. However, there is something important you need to do if you want to use Teams for music lessons. Teams is really designed for speech, and it is automatically configured to filter out background noise, including music, which is a bit of an insult, labeling your playing as noise. So, in order to be able to use Teams for music lessons, you need to switch this filter off. There should be 3 dots near your avatar from which you can select Settings. Then scroll down to Devices and find the microphone audio setting. First of all, switch off the button that is marked Automatically Adjust Mic Sensitivity so that it is grey, not blue. This setting will iron out all your attempts at dynamics so that everything will be a constant mezzo-forte. Also, switch off the button marked Noise Suppression if you don't want Teams to decide that your performance is just a noise.